Everyone has a part of themselves, they hide it. Would you like to remove or eliminate your mask? I would. When you are ready to remove or eliminate your masks, you are going to begin your authentic lifestyle. Why you feel less happiness, peace and fulfillment in your life? Because you are operating from this masked behavior. When you changed this habituated behavior, that is your masked behavior, you can activate your natural behavior. That will help you to experience peace, happiness and fulfillment in your life. So remove or eliminate your masked nature, activate your natural one, then you can attract more happiness, fulfillment and peace in your life. So if you want to know more about authentic life, then you can comment below. Yes, I will give my program details. Thank you. Stay positive. Bye for now.